Good day everyone. Once again, this is Teacher Koy and welcome to isipMath channel. Our topic for today is all about FOIL method. FOIL method. But before that, just want to say thank you to all our subscribers, to all our followers na laging nanonood sa mga videos po natin. At saka yung mga nag-request, I'll try my best na magawan po yung request nyo ng tutorial. Doon po sa mga naghahanap ng soft copy sa previous topic po natin, available na po. Just check the description of the videos. Okay? So, yung video po natin na how to find GCF, andun po sa description ng video yung link ng soft copy at saka yung how to factor difference of two squares. Andun po yung link sa video description. Okay, so FOIL method. How to use FOIL method. So FOIL is FOIL, that's capital FOIL. Okay, so before we move on, let's define first, or let's get to know first what is FOIL method. According to the definition, FOIL method is a technique for distributing two binomials. Pag sinabi nating binomials, so it means an algebraic expression of the sum or difference of two terms. That is a binomial. This is a binomial, two terms. Our first term is A and our second term is B. So, magamit po yung FOIL method if we multiply a binomial to the another binomial. Okay, like this one. So, this is a binomial and this is also a binomial. So, magagamit po natin ang FOIL method if we multiply this binomial to this binomial. Ano po ba ang meaning ng FOIL or FOIL? So, F stands for first or first terms. O is for outer or outer terms. I is for inner or inner terms. And L is for last or last terms. Okay, so ito po yung FOIL method. If I have these two binomials, this one is a binomial and this one also is a binomial. So F is for the first terms. So our first terms here is this one, X and X. And for the O, outer terms is this one, X and 2. And for the inner terms is this one, 1 and X. And for the last terms, or L, is this one, 1 and 2. Okay, so for this example, so we will multiply this binomial to this binomial using the FOIL method or the FOIL method. So F is for the first terms. Okay, so let's multiply this first term here to this first term here. Okay, so X times X, so that is X squared. And O for the outer terms. So for this binomial, our outer term is this one, X. And for this binomial, our outer term is 2. So we will multiply X with 2. So X times 2, so that is 2X. And so plus 2X because X is positive and 2 is positive. And for the I, the inner terms, is this one. For this binomial, our inner term is this one here. And for this binomial, our inner term is X. So therefore, we will multiply 1 to X. So 1 times X is 1X or X. Positive 1 times positive X, so therefore plus X. And for the L, last terms. For this binomial, our last term is 1. And for this binomial, our last term is 2. So therefore, let's multiply 1 times 2. So this is positive and this is positive. Therefore, 1 times 2 is 2. So this is now our answer. Okay, so for our next example, ipapakita ko po sa inyo sa screen para makita nyo po kung paano po ginawa yung FOIL method. Okay, so our next example is a binomial which is 6x minus 7y. multiplied by another binomial which is 4x minus 3y. Okay, so based po sa given expression, our first terms is 6x and 4x. And our outer terms or the outside terms is 6x and negative 3y. And for the inner terms is negative 7y and positive 4x. And for the last term is negative 7y and negative 3y. So, uunahin po natin yung first terms. So, 6x multiplied by 4x, they are both positive. So, therefore, the answer is 24x squared. And for the outer terms, which is 6x and negative 3y, so therefore, the answer is 18xy, negative. Because 6x is positive, then 3y is negative. So, positive multiplied by negative is negative. For the inner terms, which is negative 7y multiplied by positive 4x. So, negative 7y multiplied by positive 4x, the answer is negative 28xy. And for the last terms, which is negative 7y multiplied by negative 3y. So, the answer is positive 21y squared. Naging positive po siya dahil si 7y is negative and then si 3y is negative. So, negative number multiplied by a negative number, the result is positive. So, our answer is 24x squared minus 46xy plus 21y squared. So, naging negative 46xy siya kasi we have a like terms, the negative 18xy and the negative 28xy. So, i-add po natin yon because they have the same sign. Okay, so that's all for today. All about FOIL method. And once again, thank you for watching my videos. And please don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell para maging updated po tayo sa lahat ng mga videos. Para sa bata, para sa bayan, para sa kinabukasan.